Hi friends, and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Daniela, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute tulip. It is completely no-sew, takes less than 20 minutes, and it can be a perfect gift for this spring. You can also use it as a keychain or as a charm for your bag. Tell me in the comments what other tutorials should I make, and let's start. For this tutorial, we will need a 4mm hook, bulky yarn in blue and green, 6mm safety eyes, stuffing for the plushie, a yellow thread for the final details. I'm using bulky yarn too for this one, scissors, a sewing needle, and I highly recommend the use of stitch markers. We will start with our green yarn and we will make 6 single crochet into a magic ring. For the second round, we will make 6 increases. This means that at the end of your round, you should have 12 stitches. And don't forget to add your stitch marker at the beginning of the round. For the next 2 rounds, we will single crochet around. This means that we will make 1 single crochet per stitch. So at the end, you should still have 12 stitches. In our last stitch, we will color change to blue. You can now cut the green yarn and make a knot to secure everything. In round 5, we will be crocheting in the front loop only. We will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the round. This means that at the end you should end up with 18 stitches. On round 6, we will make 2 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. You should end up with 24 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around. For round 10, we will make 6 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 21 stitches. For round 11, we will make 5 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 18 stitches. On round 12, we will make 4 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 15 stitches. For the last round, we will make 3 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end. You should end up with 12 stitches. Now we will add a stitch marker in the 7th stitch of our round, like this. We can now cut the yarn. Make sure to leave enough yarn to close our tulip, and now we can fasten off. Now we will add our safety eyes. First, we will align these 2 stitch markers, and we will add our safety eyes between rounds 7 and 8, making sure that this stitch marker is going to be between them. There should be 3 stitches between both eyes. Now we will stop the body. To close our body, we will insert our needle through the first stitch and the 7th stitch, the 2 that we have marked, and then we will pull. We will repeat this process 3 times. Now we will insert our needle 1 round below, and we will repeat the process 3 times. To finish, we will insert our needle through the top and take it out on the bottom, and we will pull our yarn. Now I will go through some stitches just to secure everything. I will now cut the excess and hide the rest. To finish, we will take our yellow thread and tie a bow in the stem of the tulip. You can then cut the excess. And here we have our finished tulips. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format, or you can also download the PDF if you join to my Patreon. Free members can also download it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that I can bring you more content like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!